This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix unable to install security response error on iOS. So the first solution is delete your last update. Go to settings, tap on general, iPhone storage, and here you will get here search for your iOS last update. Then you have to delete your last update and then again open your iPhone settings and tap on general, tap on software update and again update your iOS version. And the second solution is open your iPhone settings, tap on general, tap on background app refresh, tap on background app refresh, select Wi-Fi and mobile data, then tap on date and time, enable set automatically, restart your iPhone, and hope this solution will fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.